Well, more lawnmower saga. I know you were all excited to hear about it. So that hole right there is from this. You can see that shape. It's the same as this shape. And there's a couple of spot welds. Oops, there we go. A couple of spot welds here and there. Spot welds. Anyways, this guy is supposed to sit right here. And it's a part of the support that holds the lawnmower deck up onto the mower, up underneath here. There's like these guys. They slide down in this. You put the little pin in and it holds it up. Well, I'm wondering if that happened when I flipped the mower or what. Or if it had broken off earlier, because I did notice it was being a little weird when I was mowing before that. So it could have happened before. So I'm not really sure. But anyways, I can't mow at all with this broken like this. I need a welder. Or, yeah, I need a welder. I'm just going to have to, if I can get it welded back on, I think I'd be okay. I can't afford a mower deck, man. They're just too pricey. I'm not excited. And by saying I'm not excited, I mean not at all. So, if I had a little welder, I'd be good. That's really all I need, a small welder, clean the hell out of this and get it down to bare metal and just touch weld, spot weld where I can, put a seam around it, whatever I got to do. But it'd be cheaper than freaking trying to like buy a new deck. Decks are, I think, $300 to $400 or something like that. I might be able to find a used one for cheaper. Might be in about the same condition, so I don't know if it's worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.